Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to rank blog posts on Google 2025. Alright guys, so you want your blog post to hit Google's first page in 2025. Here's a quick step. The first thing you're going to do is log on to Uber Suggest. That's the website of interest for today's tutorial. Once you're on Uber Suggest, simply start with the right keywords. So using the right keywords would determine how far your blog post goes. As you can see, we're on Uber Suggest, but you could try Google Keyword Planner, or you could try RFs and look for long tail, low competition keywords and input them. All right, so I'm not going to be signing into Uber Suggest, but I'm going to be showing you how things work. Uber Suggest has an AI-powered keyword research tool, so you can win the SEO game before your competitors even know they're playing. So I went ahead to type in an SEO word, which is jokes, and then if you click on search the keyword, you're going to be getting some results. You're going to be getting a whole lot of information from Uber Suggest. But like I said, check what type of content ranks for that keyword. You can see the rankings are mostly the United States. You find more in the location breakdown. The search volume for jokes are actually high, and the average web page that ranks in the top 10 has at least 18,000 um, 18,000 backlinks. And if you click on it, you can see the actual content. You can see the actual Google search results for these words. You can see them here. These are the top 7. And you can see the visits, the authority it possesses, and also the shares. So domain authority is a search engine ranking score. So it ranks 60, while these rank 90 and 93, and about 100 on YouTube Watch. All right, so try to match the search intent. So check what these people are actually writing, or what they're actually um, making in their content. That is, if they are teaching people how to make jokes, or if it's something alongside making jokes itself. All right. So besides that, use your main keyword in your title. You could check out your main keywords here on WordPress. So let's say you're writing your blog post or any post of your kind, or any type of post, and you have a page. So simply edit that page to include your SEO words. That's your keywords, which are jokes. Make sure they are listed everywhere in your title, your URL, the first paragraph, and one H2 heading. Just add relatable terms and make your post scannable, short paragraph, bullet points, and visuals, and also try to link to other blog posts and trusted websites to boost your credibility. Another thing you could try are speed and backlinks. So make sure your site loads in under 3 seconds. You could use page speed insights to check how quick or how slow your website opens. You could just head over to uh, page speed insights. So page speed insights, you could check them out to simply check how fast your website opens. And then you could build backlinks by guest posting, answering Quora questions, or collaborating with blogs. You could try this and more. And even a few quality links can skyrocket your ratings. All right, guys. So you can finally track your progress with Google Search Console, and update your post every few months, because the more posts you make, the more visibility you'll get on your blog, and the higher your rankings. As you can see, these are the top rankings for this niche, for this keyword. Just try to include your keyword in every aspect of your page, from your about us to your blog and to many more parts of your website, and you should see some results. You can see with Uber Suggest, you can see the SEO difficulties, you can see your location breakdowns, you can see your audience, search intent. You'll need to pay for this, and there's also the age range, as well as the search volume history and keyword ideas as well. So guys, comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.